So here exercise 4.1 in that question number 2, in that first portion, here the area of a rectangle, here what we have to do, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. So we have to analyze this situation and we have to represent it in the quadratic equation form. So now we will see this one. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meters. We have discussed in the introduction, that is the length of the plot in meter is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. That we have already discussed in the introduction portion. So we will see once again, we need to find the length and breadth of the plot. He has given that the area of the rectangular plot is 528. This is 528 square meters. Okay, and the length is here, this is length and this is the breadth. Okay, the length of the plot, this length of the plot is equal to 1 more than the twice of its breadth. So in this way it is given. So here assume that the breadth is equal to x meters, and then the length will become see 1 more than the twice means 2x, 1 more. So this is in meters. Okay, this is length and this is breadth. So the area, we already know that area is equal to length into breadth. So area he has given that 528 is equal to length is 2x plus 1 and the breadth will be x, what we have assumed. So we will multiply this one, 2 into x square plus x is equal to 528. So this can be written as 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation form. So we should not go for solving the value for this x. What he has asked, just we have to represent this in the quadratic equation form, that's all. Okay, we will go for next one. So here exercise 4.1 only, question number 2 in that second portion. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. See here, positive integer. First of all, these are positive integers and they are consecutive. Consecutive means one after the other. So let one number will be x. Then the consecutive of this number will be x plus 1, because immediately after this x will be x plus 1 only. So the product of these two, that is x into x plus 1, the product of these integers will be is equal to 306. So we have to find out this x value. So here x into x square plus x is equal to 306. So x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, this is quadratic equation. How to solve for this x variable, that we are going to see in the next session. Exercise 4.1, question number 2 in that third portion. Here we have to represent this situation in the quadratic equation form. So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So here there are two entities, that is one Rohan and Rohan mother. There are two persons. So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So here suppose Rohan is x, she will be 26 plus x. As per this statement, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. If Rohan is x years, then Rohan mother will be 26 plus x years. Okay, this is x years and this is 26 plus x years. Okay, now the product of their ages in years, this is in years only. So 3 years from now, the product of this, not this one, 3 years from now means this is x plus 3. We have to add plus 3 for this and also plus 3 for this. Here 26 plus x plus 3. This is also in years. This is in years. Okay. The product of these two will be equal to 360. So that is, we will represent as x plus 3. This is 1. And here x plus 26 plus 3 is 29. The product of these two will be equal to 360. So we will solve this one. X into x, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3, this is 87. Okay, is equal to 360. So here x square plus 29 plus 3, 32, 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. Here 360 minus 87 we have to do, that is x square plus 32x. Here minus will be there because this is bigger one. So 360 means, so this will be equal to 273, that is 10 3. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. So we have represented this situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, we'll go for next one. So we'll go for 4.1 in that question number 2, fourth portion. Here a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So here the distance traveled, that is distance traveled is equal to 480 kilometers. Okay, and at a uniform speed. If the speed has been reduced to 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So we need to find the speed of the train. So now here we know that the distance traveled by time taken is equal to speed. This we know the formula. So now we will assume the speed of, that is the uniform speed of a train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, this we have assumed here. So now here how much time it will take, first we will see. Time taken in a usual manner, time taken is equal to, so here distance traveled divided by the speed. The same equation I have written, time I have taken here, speed I have sent here. So here time taken, let the time taken will be, this also we will assume, time taken is equal to t. Okay, t hours. So now here t is equal to how much distance, this is 480 kilometers he has given. Speed we have assumed x. Okay, this is first portion. So now if the speed has been reduced by 8 kilometers per hour, then the time taken will be increased with 3 hours. Okay, for a same distance. Okay, for a same distance. This is second equation, and let us consider this as a first. So now we will substitute this t value in this equation, that is substitute t value in equation 2. Okay, see here equation 2 is, I will write here, t plus 3 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. So t, what we know, t is equal to 480 divided by x. Here 480 divided by x plus 3 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. So now we will take LCM here, 480 plus 3x divided by x is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. So cross multiplication. So here x minus 8 is multiplied with this one and x is multiplied with this one. So here 480x is equal to x minus 8 into this one, that is 480x, okay, my plus 3x square minus 8 into 480, 80, 88, 64, 6, 8, 4 ja 32 and 38, 3840 minus 8 into 3, 24x. So now here you see here 480x and 480x will be gets cancelled. So here whatever the remaining, that is 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. So now whole equation will divide by 3, then it will be easy. So x square minus 8x, this whole equation I will divide by 8 by 3. Okay, so now x square minus 3 8 is 24, 8x minus 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, okay, 24, 3 8 is 24 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So we can find out this variable x, so that we can find out the speed of the train. We'll go for next one.